Hello, this is a bilingual introduction to the exhibition Golwg ar Gelf 2021. We will start in Welsh. Helo, cyflwyniad dwyieithog i'r Arddangosfa Golwg ar Gelf 2021. Shwmae Meinir a Hugh, ni yma heddi nawr i drafod Golwg ar Gelf, Arddangosfa blynyddol i ni'n cael yng Ngholeg Celf Abertawe, y Met Caerdydd a Coleg Sir Gar ar y cyd efo Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol. Felly, fi'n darlithio yng Ngholeg Celf Abertawe, Prifysgol Cymru a Drindod Dewi Sant, a'n rôl i yw i arwen ar elfen Cymraeg yn y Brifysgol.
Fi yn darlithio yn Ysgol Gelf a Dylunio Caerdydd a yn debyg i ti Gwen yn rôl i yw i ddarparu Gymraeg ar draws y cyrsiau israddedig yma.
Enw fi Meinir Mathias a dwi'n gweithio yn yr Ysgol Gelf Gyfyrddin yn Coleg Sir Gar a mae'r rôl fi'n eitha debyg hefyd. Fi'n gweithio ar draws y cyrsiau Cymraeg.
Gret, okay. So, ni wedi bod yn gwneud Golwg ar Gelf nawr yn dyn ni am sawl blwyddyn. Fi'n credu hwn yw'r 5ed os fi'n cofio'n iawn, a gan amla, pryd i ni mewn byd sydd ddim yn rhithiol, yw ni'n neud yn fyw fel rhyw fath o pop-up, yn dyfe? A mae'r pop-up, mae'n mynd i Gaerdydd, mae'n mynd i Gyfyrddin, mae'n mynd i Abertawe. Ac os mae'n rhywbeth eitha organig yw'r gair, gan amla, yn dyfe?
Ydy, a fi'n credu beth da, beth sydd wedi bod yn gweithio, fi'n credu yn dda am y cyfres ni wedi bod yn neud lan tan nawr yw y ffaith bod mae myfyrwyr sydd gyda gwaith gorffenedig gallu dangos i gwaith yna a hefyd gwaith arbrofol. So, mae fe'n gyfle da i myfyrwyr fel cael ymateb am gwaith cyn iddo cael ei gwblhau fe bytai, sydd yn rili ddefnyddiol.
A mae'n cyfle da hefyd i wneud y cysylltiadau yna gyda myfyrwyr cyfrwng Cymraeg ar draws y gwahanol colegau sydd yn peth braf.
A llynedd wnaethon ni ymateb yn rhithiol, a oedd popeth yn rhithiol amdano ymateb i'r Arddangosfa a phopeth, ond weithodd mewn rhyw ffordd, ond le ni nawr, ni'n mynd at y cwmni proffesiynol i wneud y gwaith i ni, ac yn mynd i roi'r Arddangosfa ar-lein, a fe fydd ar-lein am sbel, a felly, so beth mae hwnna, fel mae hwnna'n mynd i ddatblygu chi'n meddwl?
Wel, fi'n credu mae fe'n brofiad, unwaith eto profiad arbennig i'r myfyrwyr, dwi'n fod wedi deall beth yw e fel i weithio ar y cwmni sydd yn paratoi gwaith ar gyfer arddangos. Mae lot o ddysgu gael ei wneud trwy'r broses yna, a fi'n credu paratoi gwaith hefyd i fynd ar-lein. Mae hwnna'n sgil sydd bydd gofyn am y fath o sgilyn mewn i'r dyfodol, fi'n credu.
Ond mae fe cyfle da i mwy o bobl gweld yr Arddangosfa hefyd. Mae fe ar-lein, so gallu fe mynd tramor, gallu fe mynd o draws y byd. Gallu unrhyw un dilyn y link i weld yr Arddangosfa sydd yn peth da, fi'n meddwl.
A hefyd nawr, mae dal yn mynd i fod yn arbrofol, fel wedys ti Hugh, mae dal gallu fod gwaith gorffenedig neu gwaith llyfr draslunio neu hyd yn oed gwaith paratoi, yn y bwriad yr Arddangosfa yma, yn dyfe?
Sicr, a o'n i'n sôn bod yn amlwg ni'n neud yn rhithiol, ond mae dyn ni fel capacity i ddangos gwaith 3D hefyd o ran fideo hefyd sydd yn beth da.
And now for the introduction in English. We're here today to talk about Golwg ar Gelf, which is an annual exhibition that we put on, an annual art exhibition actually, that we put on jointly between the Met in Cardiff, Coleg Sir Gar and Swansea College of Art at the University of Wales, Trinity St David's. I'm an university lecturer at Swansea College of Art and I lead on Welsh medium provision within Swansea College of Art.
Yes, and my name's Hugh Williams and my role is very similar to Gwen's. I work at Cardiff School of Art and Design and I teach across the range of undergraduate programmes in Welsh.
My name is Meinir Mathias and I work in the Carmarthen School of Art, so Coleg Sir Gar, and I work across the degree courses supporting Welsh medium students.
And normally, without this kind of virtual world, isn't it, Golwg ar Gelf is a pop-up exhibition that pops up in Cardiff, in Swansea, and in Carmarthen, and sometimes we take it to other places as well, but it's really experimental, isn't it, normally?
Absolutely, and that's one of the main sort of benefits of it really, is that students can, they can submit final work and exhibit that, but also work that's in progress, experimental work, and it's an opportunity, I think, for students to get feedback at an interim point in the work as well, which is quite helpful.
Yeah, and it's a really good opportunity for students to meet other Welsh medium students from across various universities and make those connections, which is really important as well.
Yeah. And this year we're responding to these lockdowns and to working in the virtual world and working with a professional company to produce the exhibition. And so it's going to be this year a virtual exhibition that is also experimental and also finished work, like you said, Hugh, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we're really fortunate, actually, and the students are really fortunate to be able to collaborate with the company, and there are obviously loads of benefits from that. I mean, obviously, it's been a strange time in terms of, you know, the lockdown, and I think an opportunity now emerging out of this for students to be able to develop sort of like skills of preparing work for virtual exhibition and understanding the workflow, I suppose, of a commercial company in that space, I think is really important.
I also think it's a really good opportunity to have the work online digitally, and audiences from far and wide, overseas even, can look at this exhibition, follow the link and follow the exhibition. So that's a really exciting opportunity as well.
Yeah, okay. So let's hope you enjoy Golwg ar Gelf this year. So mwynhewch Golwg ar Gelf. Yeah, hwyl fawr wrthon ni gyd.
Diolch.
Hello.